ordered the double cheeseburger? Who wants a loaded pizza? Who wants to get ice cream? Who ate the last donut?
Who did this, Sophia?
Sophia? Who did this? Who did this? Ollie? Oliver? Who did this?
What did you do, Gus? What did you do? Such a naughty boy.
Mia! Que é isso, Honda? Que é isso, Honda? Honda! Que é isso? Que aconteceu aqui?
Who did that? Look up there. I'm talking to y'all.
Nina, was it you? Who did this? Who did this? Who did it? Who put this hole in the couch? Did you do it, Nina? What did you do?
小伙子，你别一犯了错就抱着桌子腿行吗？啊，你看这仙人球给你咬的，咋的？你不扎嘴吗？是不是这仙人球在动你手啊？跟你没关系，是不？啊
Cosmo, come here. What did you do on the floor? Here, right here. Come on. Come on. Come here. Did you go potty on the floor?
Hey Tonka, did you chew my rug? Did you chew on my rug today? Is that a yes?
8.
Let's see, who ate this? Who ate this, Opal? Was this you? Did you eat this? Huh? Did you eat this? Did you eat this?
A wonderful dog to come home to this. Now, you might be wondering, that has been so bad. There she is, the baddest girl ever. What is this? Roxy. What is this? Oh, she's Slinky Dog. She hides in shame.
It's a pile of poop. Did you do that?
Who broke my sprinkler? Who broke the sprinkler? Who? Max? Optimus? Who broke it? Who broke the sprinkler? Max? Did you break the sprinkler?
Why are you two so scared? I've not even asked the question yet. Tell me. I just asked the question, what happened?
Did you potty on the floor? Did you? Did you do that?
Come here. What is this? We don't do that. We don't do that.
That's you. You definitely did that, Wawa. Who poops on the wall, man? You don't poop on the wall.
Put your head down.
You don't poop on a wall. That's a bad dog.
Who destroyed this? Who did this? Was it you? Or was it you? Buddy? Buddy. Was you, huh? Who did this?
Bad dogs. I cannot believe you destroyed that pillow. I can't believe you shit on the floor.
Почистите, да. Здесь дышал, да, дышал. Ты. А кой уроди? Кой родил? Кой родил? Кой родил?
Chicken breast.
So, he got... Cody, did you have a party today? Did you have some chicken breast today? Huh?
Who is the bad one that chased the cat outside? Huh? Whoever did it, go into the crate, put yourself on timeout. It was you, wasn't it? You were the bad girl.
I gotta ask you something. Who did this? Did you do this? Look at me. Look at me. Did you do this?
Come here. Come here. Come on. What is this? What is it? What did you do? What is this? You've killed him. Now you have no toy.
Jeannie? Peppa? Who did it?
What did you do? I think you might be a bit guilty. I think you may have done it. Was this you, Will? Did you rip the plant? And what have you done with the plant? Hey? Willow? Were you the naughty girl? Were you naughty? You been digging up the good plants again?
Come here.
Where's my paper towel, Scooter? Where's my paper towel, Scooter? Oh, there's my paper towels. What you got in that bed there, buddy?
Opened up your bed. Cece. Cece. I'm not yelling at you. Come here. Cece. Are you looking away?
Did you do it? Was it you? Nala. Did you eat my Swiss roll?
你别笑。做一个专业的演员吧。King, did you do this? King, King, King.
What is it? Huh? What is this? Is this the Elmo chair? What did you do to the Elmo chair? Huh? You're naughty. That is naughty.
Did you do this? Did you do this, Maichi? Maichi, did you do that? Did you do that?
Did you do this? You stuck?
What you did, bud? Come on. Let's go see all the trash you got in here. Did you do that? That's something you did there, bud?
Pooped in the house. Malachi, did you poop? Roki, did you poop in the house? Did you poop? What about Harley? Did you shit in the house, Harley?
Jordan, look at what you did. Oh my God, Luke is gonna kill you. Flour everywhere, Jordan, everywhere. It's on you. Look at your paws.
It's medicine. And where is Trooper? Trooper? Did you get in the garbage?
Did you buy this? Did you? Destroy this, Nick. Did you buy this? guilty.
Who's a bad girl? Look at what you did. Harley. Harley. Did you do this? Was this you? Clyde, I don't want to...
Was it you? Or was it you? Ella, did you do it? I think she did it. Did you? Or did you? I think both you did it.
What is this? What is this? Huh? What is this?
Brownie? Brownie? Did you eat my stuff? Huh? You better say something. Get over here. Get over here. You're in trouble. Get over here.
What happened? I'm speechless. What happened? What did you do?
Oh, hey. What's up? You guys want to tell me who did this to the couch? Does anybody want to tell me who did this?
I'm about to whip somebody's ass. Oh, I'm about to whip somebody's ass.
Look at me. I said, look at me. What did you do? Huh? What did you do? Hey, look at me. Lola, look at me.